If you want to remove a payment method from your Lyft account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Payment or Payment Methods to view your current payment options. Step 3. Select the payment method. In the Payment section, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Find the payment method you wish to remove and tap on it to open its details. Step 4. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the payment method. Tap this option and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the payment method is removed from your account. Step 5. Verify changes. After removing the payment method, return to the payment section to confirm that it is no longer listed. This ensures that the payment method has been successfully removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and update your payment methods in the Lyft app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Lyft's customer support.